So I've been backpacking for over a month now, about a month and a half, and I thought I might give you a taste of what I typically eat at night for dinner. It consists of a Norway side. I usually add some beef jerky into it because it's pretty great. Some dried milk and some olive oil for the meal. How I do it? Got a stove in my pot. That's a mug, we'll use that later. If you have a Tokusai 50 pot, I put in about an inch and a half water. Don't know how much that is, but it's about right. Get that boiling. While this is boiling, I typically eat the snacks that I didn't eat during the day, and today it's tuna. Try and get the one with olive oil and sun-dried tomatoes, but they don't always have that. Second, lemon pepper. Doesn't have as many calories, but it's pretty good. Just before it starts to boil, I'll add a little bit of olive oil. Give some more fat and some extra calories. About a tablespoon. Maybe a little more. And then I have 2 scoops of dried or powdered milk. Makes it a little creamier. When I do that, I turn the temperature of the stove down because the milk will burn. Frost up really good. Then add the right side. Trick to this is keep the temperature really low because the pot or the titanium is really thin and it will burn pretty easily. And I stir it quite a bit. And even moving the pot around the heat will help. Goal is to get it back to a boil for like a few moments and then putting it into my little oven here. This I made out of Reflectix and it has a bottom and a top. Essentially just stir it until you start seeing a few bubbles. It'll start to get thicker too. If you just pop it straight into the oven, it's really thin and runny. I think it has cornstarch or something in it that needs to get back to a boil to thicken. Start to boil again, so get up heat. Stir it a couple times. It's still pretty fluidy, but it'll thicken up in the oven. I'm gonna wait 5 to 8 minutes and it should be ready to go. What I do while I'm waiting though is make my hot chocolate. So I used to just take out straight hot chocolate, but I found that Breakfast Essentials milk chocolate has vitamins, tastes just like hot chocolate, and you can make mochas with it too in the morning. Didn't do that this morning because we're in town, but that's why I have this little guy. It's a little bit overkill to have 2 pots, but kind of saves time. Morning for coffee and afternoon for hot cocoa. And this is not an insulated mug. If you have a double-walled insulated titanium mug, you cannot use it to heat water up. It's a single wall. Trick of this is boil the water before you add the milk to the Breakfast Essentials, because Breakfast Essentials will burn. All of these things I have done. I forgot to add the beef jerky. You know that now. Matador is my favorite so far on the trail that you can find on the trail. This does not have to come to a boil, obviously. So when it gets hot enough to drink, add your Breakfast Essentials. That's about it. That one I'm half done with this, that'll be ready to go. Let's check it. It's hot, but it's ready to go. Let me show you what it looks like. Yum. I've been pretty much eating this most meals for the last month and a half. I have a few backpacking meals coming in the mail, but this is $1 per meal, and can't beat that. I had a little beef jerky for protein, and get my vitamins through my Breakfast Essentials. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good deal. Super full after eating this. So that wraps up cooking dinner really quick. I usually just rinse this out, drink the dishwater, pack this up when it cools down, and we're ready to go for the next day. Thanks for watching.